Maraming salamat po. You are correct, ma'am. To the best of our efforts, we combed through the budget, and if I may just add po, ang laki po ng naitulong sa amin ni Secretary Mina Pangandaman ng Department of Budget and Management. Dahil po, kasama po namin ang DBM halos araw-araw po, no, nitong pag-review namin sa budget, and they gave us, in fact, their experts and pati po yung software nila na nag-comb sa budget na specifically po hinanap ang mga duplicate projects. Nitong nakaraang ilang araw, pinilit po natin to the best of our ability na matanggal po yung mga projects po na nirinaise na rin po mismo ng mga members ng House of Representatives at ng Committee on Appropriations.
Sec Vince, dalawang duplication po yun. Una po, yung duplicated projects with the exact same location, station number, and exact same face or package number appearing within the same NEP. Yung isa naman pong uri ng duplication na na-raise po na ating mga kasamahan, yung tipong na-complete na, napondohan na noong mga nakaraang taon, pero binalik pa rin doon sa proposal ng 2026. May we get the confirmation of our good secretary that both kinds of duplications have been addressed in the revised submission of DPWH?
Opo, ma'am. Again, to the best of our ability and even with the help of the DBM, we have tried our best to comb through the entire budget. Pero again po, ang caveat ko lang po, kung meron pa pong makikita, we will, of course, leave that up to the wisdom of the honorable members of the Committee on Appropriations to remove those items kung meron pa pong natira na dito na hindi na namin nakita. Pero to the best of our ability po and with the help of the DBM, talaga pong we combed the entire budget para masigurado na wala na po itong dalawang klaseng duplication na sinabi po at i-report din po ng mga member ng Committee on Appropriations.
Thank you very much, Sec Vince. Just one last confirmation that I'm hoping to get from DPWH. We've also spotted po, as also pointed out before, that there were projects that had up to 9 phases that were all there in the same NEP. Phase 1, Phase 2 hanggang 9. Yung iba po mas konti, up to 4 phases lang or so, pero may we also get the confirmation of DPWH that those kinds of phasing, yung super extensive phasing po, were also taken into consideration in the revised budget of DPWH.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Tama po kayo. Again, to the best of our ability, tinanggal na po natin yung mga phasing, mga napakaraming mga iba't ibang mga proyekto na pag pinagsama-sama, dun din naman. So, to the best of our ability, tinanggal din po natin yon para po maging very, very transparent and clear. Ito pong bagong isinimuti nating budget sa committee.